Should you upgrade to the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension keyword tool, and is it worth it? In this video, I discuss the pros and cons of using the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension, how to use it for keyword research, and 3 alternative keyword research tools. Let me know in the comments below if you upgraded to the paid version of Keywords Everywhere and what you like about it. Hi, my name is Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified immediately when I upload new videos. On October 1st, 2019, Keywords Everywhere moved to a pay-as-you-go model. The new paid model will cost $1 for 10,000 credits of keyword data. Every time you see the search volume for one keyword, 1 credit is used up. Number 1, fast and easy keyword research. Whenever you enter a keyword into Google or YouTube, you see the search volume and the cost per click immediately in the browser. This helps you to immediately decide whether the keyword phrase is worthwhile or not. Number 2, allows you to access keyword metrics for any list of keywords on multiple platforms. For example, it shows you the search volume and cost per click right in the browser for Google search, YouTube search, Amazon, Google Trends, Answer the Public. All you have to do is install the Chrome extension. Let me show you how to use Keywords Everywhere in combination with the TubeBuddy Chrome extension for researching keywords for YouTube videos.
Let's do keyword research for the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So if I enter DJI Osmo Mobile in the YouTube search bar, I get DJI Osmo Mobile 3, which is 18,100 searches per month and cost per click 0.32 cents. I can also see that there's DJI Osmo Mobile 2 set up at 720 searches per month, and DJI Osmo Mobile 2 Tutorial 880 searches per month.
This confirms that Keywords Everywhere makes keyword research fast and easy.
I'm going to go for the keyword phrase DJI Osmo Mobile 3 at 18,100 searches per month and add a long-term keyword phrase to the end so I can rank for that keyword phrase.
Now I'm going to go over to the keyword research tool TubeBuddy to refine my keyword research.
So I click on this TubeBuddy icon, click Launch Keyword Explorer tool, enter DJI Osmo Mobile 3. It immediately shows me the long tail keyword phrases that I can use to rank my YouTube videos. Click Explore. I get a poor overall score for that. See that search volume is fair, the weighted competition is poor, optimization strength is poor, number of videos and search results 1.117 million, number of searches per month 5.40 thousand searches per month.
Obviously that keyword phrase is too competitive.
Let's try DJI Osmo 3 setup. Now I've got a weighted score, it's 51 out of 100. Now I can see the number of videos and search results is 272,000, so it's much less competition. Now I've checked the weighted score, it says that it's good. If I want to get even more specific and have less competition, I can go for this keyword phrase. I can also check web searches. I can check results. This shows me the search results for that particular keyword phrase. I can look at trending. These are rising related queries. These are top related queries. It says Gimbal DJI Osmo Mobile 3. And here's DJI Osmo Mobile 3 review, tutorial. You can look at historical. You can see that's currently trending from August 18th when the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 came out.
Click the link in the description to download the free Chrome extension TubeBuddy.
If I enter DJI Osmo 3 in answerthepublic.com, then it'll give me a bunch of questions as shown here. It'll also show me the search volume for 459 alphabeticals. I can also export to CSV, or I can click Add All Keywords. Then if I click on the Keywords Everywhere icon, go to My Keywords, it'll show you the search volume and the cost per click for all the keywords from Answer the Public. So you can see DJI Osmo 3, 2,900 search volume and 0.37 cost per click. And here's some other ones like DJI Osmo 3 Access 4K. I can also import keywords or analyze a page. To save using up your credits, just move the slider to the left. That'll turn Keywords Everywhere off. And when you need to use it again, just slide it to on.
The only disadvantage of using the Keywords Everywhere tool is that you now have to pay for it. But there's no monthly subscriptions and you can pay as you go. As you can see, it only costs $10 for 100,000 credits, and 1 credit equals 1 keyword. Here are 3 alternative keyword research tools to Keywords Everywhere, and they're free.
The Keyword Planner tool allows you to enter up to 10 seed keywords when searching for new ideas. It also shows you keyword trends for individual keyword ideas and you can get grouped ideas where you can view keywords by theme. I'm inside the Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool. Click Discover New Keywords. Enter your main keyword phrase in there. And I can see the average monthly searches, competition, top of page bid, and other keyword ideas. Number 2 is Ubersuggest at neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. I'm going to enter DJI Osmo 3 in here. Click search. Search volume says 140. This is the number of searches this particular keyword has during a month. SEO difficulty, competition and organic search. The higher number, the more competitive, and paid difficulty. If I scroll down, you can see the search volume, cost per click, paid difficulty, and SEO difficulty. And here are some other keyword suggestions. The third alternative keyword tool that's free is Wordtracker at wordtracker.com. So you put my keyword phrase in there again, click search. The free version of Wordtracker just shows me the search volume of the first 3 listings. You can also use the free Chrome extension of TubeBuddy. You can use the Keyword Explorer tool, which I showed you previously. However, you can only see the top 3 results in each category. You also get these productivity tools, video SEO tools, promotion tools, data and research tools. Click the link in the description to download the free Chrome extension TubeBuddy.
Let me ask you a question. Do you want to know how to find low competition keywords so you can easily rank your YouTube videos? If that's a yes, watch my next video on how to find low competition keywords from YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.